got a little ahead of myself on this video. So, customer had a leak at the bottom, customer had a leak at the top. Put a little temporary repair to get them through. Anyways, so I'm gonna get this guy off, throw a male by PEX ball valve, remove this out, and then we're gonna check the pressure switch because he said he's getting fluctuation in pressure. We're gonna test the tank and we'll see what we get. See, it's probably more or less the issue of that switch. If you're lucky. Let's see if I can get the sunlight a little more. If you can see, nope. Daylight maybe? Oh, just put it in. Find anything to shove up the hole. There we go. Knock that dust out. I'll clean it up a little better, but that's what was causing that issue with that pressure switch. All right, got that all cleaned out, as you see, nice and clean. Whoop, whoop. Now I'll show you how to test your pressure tank, well tank, to see what pressures you should be running. The only time you want to do this is when your tank is completely drained down. That way you could fully test the bladder. And if you can see from in here, we are running a 30-50 switch. So we're gonna up that. I'm gonna get a new switch then. We're gonna change that to a 40-60. And this is what you do to test this. So if we're running a 30-50 switch, we want to be 2 pounds below the incoming pressure. So what we'd want to be at is 28 psi. And 25, 26, yeah, you're in there. So tank is good. Told them the right pressures. But we're gonna update that to give them a little better pressure. That's how tight this thing is. No. There's the new pressure switch. There's the new ratings. So now what we need to do is make this go to 38 psi. It's because we're now running a 40-60 switch. So again, we got to be 2 pounds below the incoming pressure. All you're doing is filling up the balloon that's inside. It's like a tire tube. So while that's filling, we're gonna take care of this other stuff. I already put the pressure switch on, changed the gauge. Now we're gonna get this pipe done. Give it a little squeeze, it won't fall on you. So we got the line in, new pressure tank, switch set to 4060. That's that.